Hello guys, it's Slim here. How is everyone doing? Yeah, welcome to another trading video. Today it's a weekend, and yeah, as you know, on the weekends I trade Bitcoin. So last night I took a quick scalp on Bitcoin, even though I had a running trade, which is my main trade, which yeah, I had to swing trade. So but I had to scalp, and I'll show you the scalp trade I took. It was a quick one, and yeah, for some reason I got stopped out, so this is how I got it. And I noticed there was a trend line being respected. I don't always trade trend lines, but since it was making internal higher highs and higher lows, I had to take this opportunity, and I knew the overall bias, it was bullish, so I had all those confluences in mind, and I was a bit confident about that scalp. So yeah, as we drew the trend line, you could see that the market was respecting the trend line. Even though it reached a point and broke it, but while I use the high highs and higher lows, the setup was still valid. So as you can see, I marked my levels, higher highs and higher lows. There was a break of structure right there. then there was that was a small change of character, but the main swing low was that one right there, because as you can see, the market later respected it, and it pushed more higher. So I think following the trend line, I misinterpreted that setup right there, but that's how I was supposed to trade it. But let me show you exactly what I did, because you can see the market was able to break that trend line. Then so when the market was showed signs of like collecting a liquidity right there, below that high low, so, and showed the signs of reversing, then I had to place my trade right there, and I was targeting a risk to reward of 1 to 4, but I was very sure, at least if market was to reverse on me, it would at least be able to reach that resistance above there, and it was able to reach the resistance. I took my TP1 and I set my break even. So, and market later on came back and took me out at break even. So I was right about that. The market would reach resistance and reverse. So it's always good you take your partials at supports and resistance, because you never know, market might reverse from there and never continue to your direction. So the real higher low, which was strong enough to hold that market to continue to the upside, was that one right there. So that's where I was supposed to enter. That's a lesson learned. So yeah, so my main trade, leave alone the scalp, I took it from there. I marked my higher low. So on BTC, I'm a bit trading internal structure because BTC had it was some kind of news which affected BTC, and it had a very long move which made these trades to be internal structure trading trades. Yeah, so my main move is that one right there. I took it after I went to my lower time frame where I had my setup on the 5, then I went to the lower time frame and I got my market structure shift, and yeah, I entered the trade from there, and I'm running this trade, exactly that trade right now, and I'm aiming for that resistance right there for my take profit 1. Then I set my break even, hoping market to continue moving to the upside. So I'm targeting a point of interest on the 1 hour, and I will show you. I'm targeting that point of interest right there. If market is able to reach there, and we are all good. So remember to subscribe, guys, and like the video if you want me to be showing you how I do my trades, how I do my analysis, and like the video. Thanks for watching, guys. That's how I took the